Hi guys, so today I'm going to be making strawberry ice cream, and these are the 3 ingredients that I will be using. So here I have heavy cream, some condensed milk, and some frozen strawberries. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to come and do is grab my frozen strawberries and I'm going to throw them in the blender and we're going to puree it, okay? Okay, so once you have it blended, we're going to put this in a separate bowl. Okay guys, so I just want to show you how it blended. So now we're just going to pour this into a plate. Look at that. I think you can eat this just like this. Look at that. Okay. So now we're going to put this to the side and jump to the next step. Okay guys, so now I'm going to come with my heavy cream. Put it in a cold bowl, just like this, and we're gonna come and we're gonna whip it until it's like a whipped cream, okay? And you want to start off low. Okay guys, you see how it's stuck like this? This is the way you want it to look, okay? Guys, so now what I'm going to come and do is pour my condensed milk, and it's really thick. Make sure you get all of it, okay? Once you add the condensed milk, we're going to come and add our strawberry puree, okay? Look how good that looks. Oh my goodness. And guys, I will have the ingredients and the amount I'm using in my description below. Okay, so all I'm going to come and do with the mixer again, and we're going to mix everything together. Okay guys, so this is well blended. Now we're going to put this in a tray so we can put it to freeze for 12 hours. Guys, so this is what I'm going to be using to put my ice cream, and I'm just gonna pour it in here. Let me turn it this way so you guys can really see. Look at how creamy. Oh my goodness. You can share this with your friends and family and they're gonna love it. Okay, so we're gonna put this to freeze and we'll be back. Hey guys, so it's been a little over 12 hours since my ice cream has been in the freezer. As you can see, my husband tried to take some, but I stopped them right on time. So now I just want to show you. You come with your ice cream scooper. This is the one I have for now. And you're just gonna, look at this. You could leave it out a little longer so it can get a little soft. It's up to you. Let me grab this. And you could just start putting it in your cup. Guys, so this is the way my strawberry ice cream came out. It is soft and creamy. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will have the ingredients and the amount that I'm using in my description. And like always, enjoy and have a blessed day.